Okay, I've just received this parcel and I'm not 100% sure what's in there because I order lots of stuff. Let's have a look. There we go. And it's my LED floodlight that I've been waiting to receive. So let's open the box. It's 240 volt, comes fitted with 13 amp plug already fitted. It's an LED. I think it's one chip, maybe three, and that's putting out 1000 lumen for the cost of 10 watts. It can be used indoors and out, so facing this at your drive or at your patio in the garden, ideal for barbecues, late evening. It also comes with remote control, so you can adjust the brightness and turn it on and off. It's not PIR, so it's not activated by movement. It's simply just a floodlight, and this is just fantastic. If you can imagine driving up to your house, onto your drive, you've got the remote control in your car, just point it, switch your light on. So there you go. Might make a further video on this one when I fitted it. But yeah, really looking forward to installing that. Okay, I just thought I'd plug the camera, the light in, just to show you how bright it was. It's going to be a while before I get to put this outside on the wall, point out the camera, and it's very bright, quite bright. So yeah, that's going to illuminate a reasonable sized area. It's not going to be daylight, but it's certainly headlight, that's for sure. So I thought I'd just attach this to the end of the video I just made, just to show you how nice it is. Really, it's very good, good brightness. Thank you.